So hey, what's up everybody, welcome to this video, and today I would like to talk about 7 things you really need to know and master to step up your game as a photographer. Tip number 1 is very cliche, but gear, it doesn't matter. So the thing you would like to buy instead is books. You would like to learn a lot of things about photography, learn about your camera, and that's what really matters. Gear, trust me, it won't make you a better photographer by having a really expensive camera. And yeah, try to learn the basic first, and then you can step up, and trust me, you will become a much better photographer. Many ask me how I take my pictures, and it's not the camera, it's not the lighting, it's not the time when I'm shooting, it's not the object, it's the knowledge. So if you know how to use your camera, you will master this thing, trust me. So buy books instead of gear. What you need is inspiration. So there are 2 things you can use to get inspiration. You can use a lot of things, but this is the 2 things I use, and it works every single time. I go to Pinterest and I go to Instagram and I just type travel photography inspiration or portrait inspiration. What I do is I look at very good photographers' pictures, and then I like to challenge myself and see if I can replicate the exact same picture. And when I can, I will start taking the picture, breaking the rules, and create something new, because I like to make the picture my own. When you know what to do and you have your inspiration, what you need is to be present. Being present means that you like to distract your object from the fact that you're taking a picture of them. So this means that, yeah, you probably will talk to the person and you will ask them random things so they lose the focus. What I do is very simple. I just ask them, hey, can you tell me what's the color of that car? What's the color of my shoes? And they will just automatically lose the focus, and they will start looking down, looking upwards. And then it's when you take the shot. You start taking a lot of pictures, because that is when you will see the most natural image of this object or person. Try it, trust me, it works. The next thing is very easy. The only thing you need to do is like an exercise when you're alone, when you're walking, or you don't have your camera with you. You like to shoot with your mind. This means that you would like to imagine that you have your camera and you're looking through the lens and you're taking a picture. When you can exercise your brain to do that, trust me, you will get wow, you will step up your game, you will become a really good photographer, you will start creating things in your mind and start imagining what you can do to make it a better shot. And this is what I would like you to do. Number 5 is a cliche, and you probably know this one, but trust me, shooting at the golden hours is so amazing. If you don't know what the golden hours is, it's when the sun is soft. It's like the light is very soft, and you will get really good pictures. And this is between 5 and 6, depending where you live, of course. But when the light is soft, trust me, you will get the right exposure, and it will be amazing. You need to try it, trust me, so good. Number 6 is one of the most important rules in photography, and that is the rule of thirds. If you know how to master this rule, it's very good. You can really take a lot of awesome pictures. But what this means is that you place your object in one of the corners of your picture, basically. So you will like to use the vertical grids and the horizontal grids to place your object in one of the corners. And why would you like to do this? Is because you like to show the person who is looking at your picture what the object is doing. So the object will be like in a perspective and it's looking to something, probably nature, probably something else, and it's really amazing. You can do a lot of awesome things with the rule of third, trust me. Try to Google it and you will find amazing pictures. Now that you know some tips, now that you know some rules, it's time to break them. So tip number 7 is break the rules. Forget everything what I said. try to create your own content, because this is one of the most amazing things about photography. Get inspired, break the rules, and create something unique. So get that Instagram profile, start shooting, upload, and show the world what you can do.